Welcome to MathPro by Bloom Academy. We're going to quickly cover something called Pythagoras Theorem, or sometimes Pythagorean Theorem. All right, this applies to right angle triangles, just right triangles only. So you must have this sign here that tells you that's 90 degrees, or you must be told. So it's going to apply to this triangle because it's 90 degrees. This here that we don't know, there's a 90 degrees, not necessarily. What does it say? Okay, so you have a right triangle like this. It says this a squared plus this b squared is always equals to the c squared. Okay, okay, so it's true here, but not necessarily true here because we don't know. Okay, so now this regarding this triangle here, the side facing this 90 degrees, this side here, facing the 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse. Okay, that's it. It's called the hypotenuse. And then the other two sides are just called what? The legs. Okay, so always just find your hypotenuse and the legs and then apply the equation. So here in this examples here, which sides are the legs and which side is hypotenuse. So first I need to know which side faces my 90 degrees. That's always my hypotenuse, z. The legs are x and y. So my equation will be x squared plus y squared, okay, is equal to the hypotenuse squared. Okay, what about this side here? Okay, I see my 90 degrees is up here. The side that faces the 90 degrees is the E. So my hypotenuse is side E. And then C, D are the legs. So what will be my equation? C squared plus D squared equals E squared. Okay. So I come over here. Okay. Then again, still, this is my 90 degrees. That's my 90 degrees. Okay, so that's my side facing is 2x plus 5. So this side here, 2x plus 5. And my legs will be x plus 2, comma, x minus 2. So what will my equation look like? My equation will look like it will be x plus 2 all squared plus x minus 2 all squared is equal to my hypotenuse squared. Okay, and we've already done expanding quadratic identities. So apply it to simplify this. Note that x plus 2 all squared is not equal to x squared plus 2 squared. You have to expand this. Okay, have to expand this based on what? If we have a plus b all squared, you remember it's going to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to be what? X squared plus 4x plus 4. And I can expand this too. This would be x squared minus 4x plus 4. And it's equal to 4x squared plus 8x plus 4. And then I can group my like terms, simplify it, and solve it. Okay, so it will be 2x squared. These go away. Plus 8 is equal to 4x squared plus 8x plus 4. And I can move everything to one side. Subtract those. I'll end up with 2x squared plus 8x minus 4 equals 0. I can use this to solve for my x. All right. So exercises. Can you try these? Can you find C? First, what is C? Okay, C is your hypotenuse. I write this, I solve for it. 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to C squared. So it'll be 25 plus 144 equals C squared. That means C squared equals 169. What is C? C then is the square root of 169, which is 13 or negative 13. But since we're dealing with measurements, we reject The negative 13, that's my answer. What about this one here? What are you going to do? Still, write your equation. What are the legs? The legs are x and 3. And then you write x squared plus 3 squared equals what? 5 squared. So it's x squared plus 9 equals 25. And then you solve this equation. So x squared equals 16. X equals square root of 16, which is 4 or negative 4. We're dealing with measurement. We regret this. We reject this. Okay? All right. So that's the end of the video. Okay, pause the video, just review what I just did, and then just go in IXL and then practice these. Okay, algebra 1. All right. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.